Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification button to get notified when new videos come out.
Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to our channel. I'm back with another exciting video. Today I'm planning to make very healthy breakfast option, which is Garnola yogurt parfait. Pretty easy to make. You can make a day before, leave it in the fridge. In the morning you can grab and go, or you can eat at home. It's pretty healthy also. Please enjoy this video and thanks for tuning in. So we are making today two kinds of yogurt parfait. First I'm gonna make mango and dates and also banana parfait. So we're gonna add yogurt first in the bottom. It's a Greek yogurt. You can use any yogurt you prefer. You can use vanilla or you can use the fruit yogurt also. And I'm gonna add some granola, couple of spoon of granola. So we're gonna put one more spoon of granola. I wanna put around, yes. And then I'm gonna use this apple, dates, and mango, bananas and dates, a small diced fruit. You can cut also, or you can use any fruit you prefer or whatever in the season. Then I'm going to add some more yogurt. And I have some milk. It's almond milk. You can use the regular milk also. A little bit of that. Soak the granola. Then again granola. Couple of spoon. And then fruit. A little bit of milk. And last layer, a little bit of yogurt on top. You can add as a garnish a little bit of fruit on the top. You can use a couple of berries, strawberry, just to give a little nice color. And finally, piece of mint leaf. Look amazing. As you can see, loaded of energy. First thing in the morning you have one of these, you're good to go for a whole day. So next one I'm gonna do mixed berry or seasonal berry, whatever berry is available. So I'm gonna add again same process. Yogurt in the bottom. Garnola. have a blueberry and a strawberry. You can use lots of that. I'm going to add some almond milk. And again yogurt. A little bit of granola. Lots of berry again. Final layer, yogurt on the top. And berries, whatever the leftover berry you can put as a garnish on the top. And the mint leaf. Voila, amazing. So there's two kinds of granola yogurt parfait is ready for you. So you make this parfait day before, leave it in the fridge, and you can enjoy. You can lid up. There is a lid, comes with a lid. So it's easier to use this kind of glass jar or mason jar. You can have it, leave it in the fridge, cover the lids like this, and there you have it. You leave it in the fridge. In the morning you take it out, mix it all together. You don't need to change the ball or use any other ball. Just you can eat out of from this. So thanks for watching this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Came out very nice, look amazing, very healthy option. You guys can try this recipe, especially if you're making any diet plan. It's pretty easy to make and quick. You can make it a day ahead and leave it in the fridge and eat in the morning. And quick and easy option, and very healthy option. Please do try, and also follow us on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. If you like our videos, consider subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon button so you can get all our latest video as soon as possible. And please take care of yourself, stay safe, and Allah Hafiz everyone.